All right, guys. So good morning. All right. So to download the VN, the Oracle VirtualBox, just go to your Google. Just open a new tab, right? Then just type in VN box like this. So you come to Oracle VirtualBox here. So when you come to Oracle VirtualBox, just come to download. Then you just come and click on this accept and download. I'm not going to download because I already have mine. So after you downloaded it, right? Don't install it. You just download it. Then you go straight to Kali org. Just type in Kali up like this, click on the first link, like this one here. After clicking on the first link, you click on download, like this. After click on download, click on installer images. After installer images, just click on this place right here. Since you're using Windows, if you're using Apple, you switch to this place, then you click right here. So if you're using Windows, just come and click on this place right here. So you need to have a lot of data to download this stuff right here. So after you downloaded it, then you now install it using the Oracle Virtual Box.